the person behind it all and who's funded our vision creatively and economically also. Sorry, Miss. Sorry. This is the second time I'm doing this in my life, so there are going to be a lot of fumbles. Miss Ekta Kapoor, please. To say it's been a great journey, and I'm very thankful that in my second film I got such a lovely star cast. I have such lovely people to work with. I know he's my father, but in your second film to work with a director who's made 40 plus films is a very, very big thing. And so thank you. Thank you for choosing me for this. And Ekta, I want to tell Ekta a big thank you because you bet on me even, before anything happened for Student of the Year. You were always very positive, and once the film released, you gave me such a big film like this. And I don't think any newcomer gets such a big film in his second film. I don't think they get that budget or they get this kind
But there's a reason for that, Varun.
What is it?
तू दिखता है बड़ा स्वामी टाइप का, but तू है बड़ा हरामी टाइप का.
See, my mother is sitting here, मेरे पास भी
Sorry,
answer है.
sorry, darling. Manage with two women with such an innocent face, except for Varun. Tell me, there's no one else.
मैं दिखता हूँ बच्चा, but actually हूँ बहुत बड़ा लुच्चा. These lines are all thanks to Mr. Milap Zaveri, जो इधर किधर बैठे हैं. उधर Milap, are you here or no? देख सकते हैं. And his partner in crime, तुषार भाई, कुठे आहे तुम्ही? There, even Tushar, he's done the screenplay. So, all of them, it's been a team effort. I think from the get-go, everyone has supported this. From the production to the direction team to the post-production. I think everyone's put in a lot of hard work for this to come through and for you all to see it today. So, my sincere request that please
He's my modern day Shri Krishna in the film. So, I think he's with every woman in the film.
No, I'm extremely faithful to two girls. That's the key word. Extremely faithful to two girls.
दोनों लड़कियों के साथ है. At the end of the day, I think even with his step mother-in-law, he's a couple of scenes like that. So there's the madness in the film. The second half is so mad, so funny, and the situational comedy so much that we needed a boy who had the qualities of young Salman and with the effortlessness of Govinda, and who could be probably so effortless in carrying off this.
I still stick by it that I want to do a lot of dark cinema and stuff because I've grown up watching a lot of Breaking Bad and Dexter, and that's what I watch. But at the end of the day, comedy is in my blood. That is something I was born with. I was born watching Govinda, Salman Khan, Akshay Kumar. I was born watching those films, and that's cinema. So that's like a reflex action, as in, you know what I mean? It's something I like, but there's a reflex action in my body that, this will come to me. So that's in me. That's inherent in me.
हाँ बिल्कुल. I can't stand her. She's got to be in a different room, right at the other end of the set, and then there's David G between us.
नहीं, मैं पैदा ही हुआ था बदनाम होने के लिए, तो मुझे चलेगा. But I think, see, it's a fun film, man. I'm 26 years old, and if you're put in a position with such beautiful girls, why wouldn't you do this? Like, why wouldn't you? I mean, look at them. Mimicry itni nahi ki hai, but you know, there's a thing like Dad. His references are like that. Like he'll talk about Govinda a lot. He'll talk about Peter Sellers a lot. He'll talk about Mehmood a lot. And then obviously Salman Bhai, Ranbir, these are the people like even I've seen a lot. So they come naturally. There was a scene, little bit, there's a part in the film where the Barfi joke makes sense. नया तो मैं नहीं कहूँगा क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग कर चुके हैं, पर मैं ये, हाँ, बट डिज़ाइन तो नहीं किया है, डिज़ाइनर्स ने किया है. बट आई गेस द थिंग इज़ दैट फिल्म का नाम ये है मैं तेरा हीरो, तो कोई भी पहन सकता है. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि खाली वरुण, मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम जस्ट सेइंग आई एम अ हीरो और समथिंग. हीरो टर्म मैस्कुलिन फेमिनिन में नहीं है, तो लड़कियाँ भी पहन सकते हैं, लड़के भी पहन सकते हैं बस. और सब लोग, आप लोगों को भी दे रहे हैं, आप लोग भी पहनिए घर पे, कोई आपके साथ भिड़ेगा नहीं फिर. Got screwed for that, man, so much. My friends are here in the audience, Ankit and Neil, and they've really taken my case over that. You know, it's one thing when other people take your case, but when your friends like whoop you, that's like the worst thing ever. But yeah, finally, I hope you all are seeing this, guys. I don't want to answer this way, but I have to say, it might sound a little cliche, but because I did that bit where I went into Crawford Market and did it, I have to say that the common man who gets up so early and goes and toils every day and tries to earn his bread and butter, they are the real hero. I know it sounds like a film dialogue and it sounds like a rehearsed dialogue, but that's the truth. And I think each one is a hero. Yeah, the guys who come here holding these cameras, you guys who are asking these questions, each one has a hero within them, and you have to just realize, you have to just get in touch.